Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Wednesday. It's October the 30th. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. It is a warm and humid one out here, but we've got some showers on the radar, and I think rain chances are going to be increasing today and again for tomorrow. But I want to let you know that storm season never ends, and I've said save the stuff that matters. Ritter Consulting Engineers uses Matterport 3D imaging to scan your home or business, which can be used for insurance purposes before and after the storm. They're also revolutionizing real estate, so buyers can tour homes right from their computer. Call Ritter Consulting Engineers at 984-8498 or visit their website. Generally fair skies here in Lafayette. Looking up the sky cam, some pretty colors again this morning. We're going to get a bit more cloud cover to roll in here later on, but thanks to some elevated winds, fog is not as big of an issue as it was during the early part of the week. So other than a few widely scattered showers out there for the western sections this morning, I think your early commute is generally going to be free of any problems due to weather, but it is going to be warm and muggy, and there will be some scattered showers coming in later in the day. For the kids at the bus stop, there might be one or two showers if you live far to the west over toward the Texas state line, but the rest of the kids will see partly cloudy skies with temperatures in the low 70s, 85 later this afternoon, and again a scattering of some showers could be possible. Most of the region is very warm and muggy, a little more like summer as temperatures have dropped into the upper 60s and lower 70s, and again some widely scattered showers there, especially over in Texas, but a few of those have worked their way eastward across the Louisiana state line, and we're going to continue to see that surge of moisture ahead of a trough of low pressure that's currently out in the west, and there's a front there too, and a very strong ridge of high pressure that's right off the northeast coast that extends down into the Gulf of Mexico. So there's a bit of a pressure gradient between the low and the high, so the wind speeds have been elevated and they're even stronger in the offshore waters. We'll talk about that forecast in just a little bit, but there is that upper level pattern becoming a bit more amplified, and low pressure is developing over the plains and will scoot off toward the northeast, dragging a cold front along with it. That cold front, though, won't make it all the way through Acadiana. It's going to stall northwest of us, but it's going to keep us on the warmer and more humid side, so showers possible today. The upper levels will get a little more organized tomorrow, so that could help to spin up some bigger thunderstorms, especially to our northwest. And there may still be some widely scattered showers affecting trick-or-treaters as we head into tomorrow evening. But today, we'll see more of the transition going from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy by this afternoon with some widely scattered showers. Most of those will stay a little farther to the west, but notice as the low pulls out into the plains, we are going to be seeing that line of thunderstorms developing along the front. And ahead of it, there will be enough moisture pulling northward to bring a few widely scattered showers later today and into the overnight period. But just looking ahead to the 6 p.m. forecast for trick-or-treat night on Halloween, again, more organized rains will be north of us, but there will still be a few scattered showers to dodge for some of the trick-or-treaters out there. But I don't think it's going to be a real big problem. But between now and the end of the week, it looks like most of the Acadiana region should be able to pick up a half an inch to maybe up to an inch of rain, but there will be some spotty 1 to 2 inch rainfall totals here over the next 3 days. Hopefully it doesn't come down too heavy at any given time, as the ground is still rock solid from the drought-like conditions, so it's going to take a little while to open things up as the rain comes in. So we need a gradual rain, not heavy downpours. Temperatures, though, are still going to be warm and muggy, mid to upper 80s for highs tonight. Very summer-like, as lows are only going to drop into the 70s, but look at the difference there ahead of the front compared to behind the front, where temperatures in the Red River Valley will be falling back into the 40s and 50s. That tight pressure gradient, again, is producing some elevated winds here across the Gulf of Mexico, and that's creating some rough seas as well. So expect those winds to be out of the southeast, about 15 to 20 in the nearshore waters, a little stronger in the offshore waters. Seas about 3 to 5 feet in the nearshore waters, but farther offshore we could see some of those seas running up to about 8 feet. And there will be a lot more cloud cover across the Gulf this time around. Plus, we're still watching the possibility of some tropical development over the western part of the Caribbean as low pressure seems to be deepening a bit And the National Hurricane Center still thinks there's a pretty good chance that we're going to see something developing there over the western part of the Caribbean. A couple other tropical waves are moving across the Atlantic Ocean, but we will focus on that western Caribbean as some of the models are indicating development and maybe more of a northward or a northwestward movement toward the Yucatan Channel. But there's a look at the 7-day outlook from the National Hurricane Center. A good 40% risk that we'll see something develop between now and the end of the weekend. Of course, we'll go through all of the different computer model solutions later today live on Let's Talk Tropics. That's at noon right here on Acadiana Weather Today. We'll see some sunshine this morning, but then the clouds will build and there will be some scattered showers, about 40% coverage today. Your high near 87. With that very humid air mass in place, it's not going to cool off at all tonight as lows will drop into the 70s with a few widely scattered showers. Showers and thunderstorms becoming a lot more likely as that cold front gets a little closer to home Thursday with a high near 83. Trick-or-treaters, you may dodge a few showers, but I think things might calm down a little bit. Of course, we'll fine-tune that forecast tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow night, we're looking at 71. And then for the first day of November, looking very warm and humid with a high temperature near 84 degrees. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. And don't forget, on Monday, you'll be hearing my forecasts on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. And in between all of those broadcasts, please follow my social media pages, both on Facebook and X. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. If I don't see you at noon today, I hope to see you early on Thursday. Have a great day.